Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the Amazon Kindle. The Amazon Kindle is an e-reader used for reading digital books. Alright, let's see what's inside. Here's the Kindle itself in the beautiful Matcha Green color, nestled safely in its packaging. It looks sleek and minimalist, just as I expected. It's even lighter than I anticipated. And it comes with 16 GB of storage, perfect for my growing ebook library. Finally, we have the USB Type-C charging cable. That's it. Simple, elegant, and ready for reading. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like it. If you think this video could help your friends, please share it with them. And if you want to be notified about my new videos, please turn on the notification bell. Bye until next time.